Hey, I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody, so here we have the Windows 11 test rig up and running. This system has an AMD A6 6420K APU installed. Now of course this fan here is actually not hooked up, but you may be able to see in there it's running. It has a Samsung 250 gig SATA solid state drive. It also has a 500 gigabyte hard drive inside there. Here's look at the back. But so we're running Windows 11 21H2, and of course, as y'all probably know, had to use the Rufus trick to have the installer bypass the TPM and CPU checks to install this. It's been on here since early spring or late winter, early this year. Now the computer itself has not ran very often, but I've just used it here and there for basic testing. So anyways, the purpose of this video talks about, let's say if you've did an unofficial upgrade to Windows 11 on a computer that doesn't meet the Microsoft Elite class minimum system requirements, how would you go about installing a newer build of Windows 11, such as 22H2? So we're in Windows Update right now, and you can see how it's not offering any prompts to upgrade to the new build of Windows 11. And if I go in and open up PC Health Check, which is intended to be installed in Windows 10, and I go to check now under introducing Windows 11 to check and see if the machine meets the Elite class requirements, you can see that the system does not meet the Microsoft Elite class minimum system requirements. So what I've done here is I have taken a flash drive and used Rufus to write the Windows 11 22H2 ISO image to. So I downloaded the image from Microsoft's website, and then I used Rufus, I think 3.21, to set up this flash drive, and I'll put a link right up here, a card, and where you can go watch that video. So, that being said, let's go ahead and pop this into a USB port, and we'll go ahead and attempt to upgrade Windows 11 to the new build using an ISO image. There we are. Okay, so apparently the USB port in its card reader was not working, so I got in a different USB port now, and you can see we have our Windows 11. So we will go ahead and run setup and see if we can do an in-place upgrade from our existing Windows 11, which is 21H2, to Windows 11 22H2. So I'm going to go here and turn off download updates, drivers, and blah blah blah. Okay, so we're going to accept the license terms. Okay, so we will keep these at the defaults, install Windows 11 Pro, keep personal files and apps. That way we can do an in-place upgrade. So we'll select install and let this do its thing. Okay everybody, so the upgrade has been completed. So if we go into settings, we can see, we go to System and About, we can see that we are indeed running Windows 11 Pro 22H2. So we are now on the newer build of Windows 11. And I'm going to do a follow-up video, going over some of the changes that have taken place in the newer build of Windows 11. I've spent a little bit of time going through and messing around with things, but I need some more time to really go in depth with it, and that way I can get y'all a decent video. So anyways, I think that's all about it to cover in this video. So that's how you can install a newer build of Windows 11 on a system that you've installed Windows 11 on that does not meet the Microsoft Elite Class minimum system requirements. In other words, the computer does not meet the Windows 11 minimum system requirements, and you've installed Windows 11 on anyway. This is how you can update to a newer feature build. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that wraps up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Computer channel, and be sure to tick the bell, that way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following Computer Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, CubeCompMTDX. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.